Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and updated way to make your PowerPoint files available offline in Dropbox, so you can access your presentations anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, the process is the same and very straightforward. Once you're inside the app, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This tab houses all the documents and folders you've stored in Dropbox, including your PowerPoint presentations. Now scroll through your files until you find the PowerPoint file you want to make available offline. Next to the name of that file, you'll see 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to reveal a list of actions you can take. In this menu, look for the option that says Make Available Offline. You'll notice a toggle switch right next to it. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, Dropbox will download the PowerPoint file to your device, allowing you to open and work on it even when you don't have an internet connection. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone who travels frequently or finds themselves in areas with spotty Wi-Fi. By having your presentations downloaded, you won't have to stress about connectivity issues during important meetings or classes. Remember, once you're back online, any changes you make to your offline PowerPoint files will automatically sync to the cloud, keeping your work up to date across all your devices. To double-check if the file is available offline, you can look for a small icon next to the file's name, a check mark or a download symbol, depending on your app version. This little indicator confirms that you're all set, and that's it. Making PowerPoint files accessible offline in Dropbox is quick and easy. Just open Dropbox, tap on Files, find your presentation, tap those 3 dots, and flip the Make Available Offline switch. Now you'll always have your important files with you, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching.